Hello loves, welcome to Unique Mix by Christina. Today we have a Temu haul. This is actually part 2 of 3. So let's go ahead and get into this package. Alright, the first thing I want to share with you are these, let's say they're yarn, but they're iridescent, well, like a AB iridescent yarn. Let me go ahead and open these and I'll be right back. Now check these out. These are shiny yarn that I bought. I've been buying these for a little while now. I use these for to put on my embellishments. It gives it an extra dimension. So I got this one in the green. Look at that. Look at the shine on that. Love that. And you get a bunch of that. Look at that. These are kind of expensive. I don't know if these, I think these were the $8 ones. I'm not sure, but like I said, I will link all of these below. And then this is like, I think they're different. Yeah, this one got a little more purple to the blue, and this one is a blue with a little green to it. Like I said, it is iridescent, so that's why you got the shine. And then you do have the purple. So I love, love, love. I have bought the pink one before, and I had to get the other colors, and I believe there's still more colors, but I got those. And another buy I bought the blue one before, and of course I had to get the pink, and this is super pretty. Let me show you this one, but it's like an eyelash yarn. Look at that, super pretty, love it. Now this is also kind of expensive, but look at the amount that you do get on there. Super nice. Love that. Got that one. I got the cassette tape die. Wanted this I could have in my stash. Like if I do some 80s or something like that. Now check these out. These are actually gift bags. Look how pretty these are. Okay, these are the gift bags that I have, right? And they do come with little dangles that you can put on there. So cute. Look at that. So you get little dangles you can put on there. But look at that. Look at the bag. Real cute. I got this for gifting. So you got the little bow, so you put bow ties on there and then tie it up, and then they also got the little handle. But look at that, so cute. So I got those. I say these are a bonus, so I can add a little cuteness, some more cuteness to this package. So I got that one. Before we go any farther, the hidden word is shabby bag. Okay, so cute. So shabby bag. Another thing I hauled are these like dewdrops, and I believe they're all clear. So I got these just to see how these look, but I think the shop had others also. Yeah, look at that. So you get different sizes. It goes up. I got those. Actually, these are pretty nice, and you do get 5 little packs in here. Love, love, love. Now, next thing I have are these cute keychain of Hello Kitty. Look at that. It comes in the cream and pink. The yellow and purple. I love Hello Kitty. The silver and pink. Pink and dark pink. The purple with the yellow. Dark pink and yellow. And then you get the blue and yellow. And oh, look at that. The mint and pink. So cute. Love that. The next thing I have is I bought these zombie dies, and they actually had the coordinating die with it. So we got those. I believe these are knockoff to On Create, I believe. I did get those. And then the next one I got is this witch, the pumpkin, and of course it came with the coordinating die. Now I've seen these before and they go by fast. So I got those. Oh, check these out. These are cutie patooties. These are actually some goldfish. Look at the eyes on those. How cute are those? Love it. Love, love, love. And you get 15 to a pack. Real nice. And they're not small at all. They're not small at all. And of course I had to get me some cutie patootie turtles. Look at those. Super cute. All about the cuteness. Love it. I love turtles. And then the last thing I hold is this Butterfly USA. And I am part of a challenge that's going to happen for July 4th. So I'm getting some stuff for that. Look at that. All of this is a brooch, but it's actually pretty big. Let me measure how big this is. This is actually little over 2 inches. And then across is about 2 1/4. So yeah, it's actually a really big size. I'm going to have a tutorial on what I do with those. Look at the jemmies on that. Super cute. But yeah, that is my little haul I want to share with you. Make sure you leave a comment, like the video so I know that you liked it. The notification so you don't miss a new video that I upload. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.